Already in flower, guys. Plants have started to stretch, started showing pistils. Let me see if I can get it on camera. As you can see, the plants have started to show pistils. So right now we're in early flower. Just a little over a week. Coming up to 2 weeks. The orange banner plants are looking really nice. Can't complain. Everything is coming along really good so far. And today I was taking clones. I already took clones from the Skittles and the orange banner. The blueberry, I might take a few clones just for breeding purposes, but I'm not gonna be growing blueberry again because of the way it grows. It's not dense enough for me. These here are the gassy greens. Alright, everything is looking good. These are the blueberries. I got 12 of them. Over here we have Skittles. Sorry, Lucian Purple. I have 5 Lucian Purples. Lucian Purple is my OG strain, so I always try to grow it. It's a really nice strain. It got sort of like almost a nutty kind of aroma. It's not exactly smelling like a nut, but the aroma, it reminds me of a nut. And at the top here, we have the Skittles. Only one of these plants are not Skittles because the one that I had in this spot right here died. I didn't have another one to replace it, so I just put a random clone I had. I don't even have a name for this strain, but I've been growing it for a little while now too. But the Skittles are coming along good. The Skittles are like a 50-day flower plant. You can cut it in like 50 days. Really nice strain. Makes some really nice big buds. And it's a indica hybrid. So it stretches a lot. It stretches way more than normal indica would. And it has the same bushiness of an indica, but it stretches like a sativa, So it's a really good strain. It's a really good strain. All of this here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Skittles. Like I said, this one's not Skittles. And I have 19 orange banner plants, 12 blueberries, 5 gassy greens, 5 Lucian Purples. And in the 5-gallon pots, it's a mixture of, I got a Lucian Purple, some random stuff, and some stuff I'm just trying to phase out. So I probably have maybe like 2 extra Lucian Purples around the place. But yeah, guys, everything is coming along good. Like I said, right now things are in flower. Everything is progressing nicely. As you can see, the plants are heavy, few yellow leaves. These are the older ones. They may be to the bottom of the plant. So I haven't really seen any deficiencies. Everything else is really green, really vibrant, and yeah, everything's just coming along good, guys. Everything is just nice. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. The videos are more run and gun. I know I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. Like I said before, my plants really transition to flower like around this time. Right now I'm taking clones. I already took clones for today from the orange banner and the Skittles. I want to take a few from the blueberry, the gassy green, and the Lucian Purple, and then that's going to be the clones that's going to replace these plants after they are harvested. So here I have 47 plants in big pots, 10 gallons including the 15-gallon tote. So 47, and then I have an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plants in 5-gallon pots. Right, and I also have 2 of these in black bags like this. So I got a little over 50 plants here. My estimate is that I would have maybe between 4 and 5 pounds, depending on how flower goes. But like I said, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and keep watching to see what's going on in my garden on a day-to-day.